Hey,
What's your name? My name is Mahi. What's your father name? My father name is Arifudzaman. What's your mother name? My mother name is Moshida. What do you do? I am a student. How old are you? I am 11 years old. What do you live in? I live in Thanapara.
তুমি জিজ্ঞেস করো।
What is your name? My name is Abdullah Sadiq. What is your father name? My father is Hospital. What is your mother name? My mother name is Shani Akhtar. What do you do? I am a student. How old are you? I am 6 years old. I am 100 years old.
Where do you live?
Where do you live? I live in Thanapara. I live in Thanapara, Thanapara. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome. Welcome. Yes.
বলো যে আমার জন্য সবাই দোয়া করো। বলো।